experiencing constant interruptions from the GpuSniffer exe crash in Adobe Premiere Pro can halt your creative flow. I too faced this frustrating issue and rigorously tested various approaches, ultimately discovering several effective solutions. Now I will share these proven methods to help you fix Adobe Premiere Pro GpuSniffer exe crash and restore your smooth editing experience. The first common reason for this crash is often related to your graphics card drivers. Modern video editing software like Premiere Pro relies heavily on your GPU. If your drivers are outdated or have a small glitch, they might not communicate correctly with Premiere Pro, especially the GpuSniffer exe process, which checks your GPU status. Updating your drivers provides your computer with the newest instructions for your graphics card, ensuring it speaks the same language as Premiere Pro and prevents these communication errors. Next, corrupted media cache or preferences can be a major culprit. Premiere Pro stores many temporary files and your specific settings to speed up your work. If these files become damaged, they can give the GpuSniffer exe process bad information, leading it to crash when it tries to access your GPU. Clearing these old, potentially corrupt files forces Premiere Pro to build a fresh, clean set, often resolving underlying data conflicts. Another effective strategy involves adjusting GPU acceleration settings. The GpuSniffer exe's primary role is to monitor your graphics processing unit. If there's an incompatibility between your specific GPU model and Premiere Pro's way of using it, or if your GPU has a minor hardware problem, GpuSniffer exe will detect this instability and crash. Disabling hardware acceleration acts as a workaround, making Premiere Pro rely more on your computer's main processor, thereby bypassing the problematic interaction with the GPU that triggers the crash. Finally, ensuring your Adobe Premiere Pro is fully updated is crucial. Software developers constantly release updates to fix bugs, improve performance, and enhance compatibility with new hardware and operating systems. An older version of Premiere Pro might contain known bugs that cause the GpuSniffer exe crash on certain systems. Updating to the latest version ensures you have all the newest patches, including those designed to improve stability and GPU interaction, making your editing environment more robust.